let's talk about Canva Work Kits. Drum roll, please. Yeah, this is my Canva homepage. When I come into my Canva account, if you don't see the work kit once you come to your Canva account, it's supposed to appear somewhere here. You go over to where it says templates. So you would see work kit under here. If you still don't see the work kit, you paste this into your browser like so, and it's going to bring up the work kit for you. And if you're just opening it for the first time, it's going to bring out this little pop-up window, and you just click on that and work kit open on your account. So either way, this is how to find where work kit is in your account. Canva gathered their templates, documents into work kit. So you have work kits for marketing, you have work kit for sales, you have work kit for human resource, you have work kit for creative, you have for small businesses, you have for university students or college students, you have for primary school teachers. So you have 7 work kits in Canva. I am a small business owner and I'm looking for documents that I could work with, documents that I need to have. This small business work kit in Canva, man, if you come over to it, you can see things you might not even know you need. So for here, you have tutorials that can get you started on using this work kit for small businesses. Up here, you can learn how to use them. So you have your work kit for your social media campaign as a small business. You have all these templates that are lined up here that you can explore. You have your social media calendar, you have your social media campaign planning. One of the updates Canva has made that I love so much. And if you come down here, you have everything you need for your business. You have promotional events, you have all these operational processes. You have to write your project plan, your decision doc, your project tracker, your monthly budget tracker. You have it here. You can also manage your team from here. You also have the apps loved by small businesses. You can see them here. You can see all the apps: Slack, HubSpot, SharePoint. These are all the apps small businesses use. So this work kit has all the templates for you to use them and start designing what you want to design with. So if we go back to our work kits, one of my best work kits on here is the one for creatives. Canva Work Kit for creatives. So you have all these resources here that are pulled together. So you have your creative brief. It says start simple. These are simple templates you can use. The ones that have the crowns are pro templates, while the ones that without the crown are free. So you have free resources in this, you have pro resources. And for the work kit, it's accessible to both pro and free users here on Canva. So just follow the method we use at the beginning of this tutorial and find what you're looking for. What I like here about this Canva Work Kit for creatives is that if you come on here, it's going to say start you out with the simple tools and templates and tips you need to start your everyday tasks as a creative. So you don't need to start afresh saying, what should I do? What should I not do? You can come in here to look at what you can start preparing for your brand representation, your customer persona graph. You can start doing all these scene documents you have to have ready as a creative that you are. What I like about this is that the default is that start simple. But the magic happens when you click on Go Bold. Yeah, you start seeing all these beautiful templates. This is a presentation template. This is the customer persona. This is a creative brief. Say you want to give somebody a creative brief. This thing is so powerful. Like everything is in one place. You're seeing ideas of what you can do. If you don't have ideas of what you are supposed to have, documents you're supposed to have as a creative, you can start getting ideas from this Canva Work Kit, which I love so much. You have your core messaging doc. So you have your design strategy document. So if I click on that, it opens up the template. And when it opens up the template for this design strategy document I clicked on, if you scroll down, there's a bunch of other templates you can just select. It's so beautiful. You can look at the template and start working with them. Some of them are free, like these ones don't have the crown on them, while some of them are pro. These ones are tailored to creative. You can start working on them. If you like any of these templates, instead of just working on it directly, you can just keep on exploring. You can just start the templates are. When you go to your start folder, you can use it there. Let's close this out. If I click on Go Bold for this creative ideation, you see beautiful templates that you can use. I love this work kit so much. You can gain ideas. That's one beautiful thing I like about this. If you are starting out new as a creative or as a marketing person or as a salesperson or even HR, you can get templates from here and see what you have to put in place and what you have to get ready just in case you need to get a document across to somebody. And in each of these work kits, you have apps that are loved, apps that are tailored to this work kit. You can see the apps that are mostly used. Let's go back to work kit again and let's look at the marketing work kit, which is this one. So whichever one you want. For me, why I like work kits so much is like you get templates that are cool. You get all these tutorials that you can leverage on. You have all these resources, case study, articles, webinars. You have all these resources down here. That's what I love so much about the work kit. And you also get to see apps that people that are under marketing team love to use. You see, this one has Asana, Pattern. These are common apps marketing team usually use. For me, getting ideas on documents I need to get ready. So this presentation is market analysis presentation. You can just see this template, you open it. Let's go back to work kit. If you're a salesperson, you will love this work kit. You have all these tools you need in one place. You can go bold to see other kinds of template. This is so beautiful. This is next level organizing. I love this update Canva did. So I encourage you to start using this work kit to find templates you need for your designs. 5 ways to wow your clients, salespeople. These are all resources. You can see apps other salespeople are using, SharePoint and all that. And for each of these work kits, you have these resources here guiding you. Yeah, it's just so beautiful. So let's go back to this and let's pick up the university students. You can see your research poster under here. See how beautiful is this? Yeah, just see, check out. Look at, you can check out courses and see how to use it. The research source tracker. You can even do your research poster. You can find templates for your research poster here. All these templates are in one place. Imagine this infographic. You can see other infographics that you can use. This one is paid, but I kind of like it. Some are paid, some are free. I'm trying to find the free. This one is free, which is also fine. This one is free too. So you have the pro and the free, like I said earlier. You can just come here, leverage on them and make beautiful designs. I'm going to add this. I kind of like this. To add it to my start folder. So I'm going to close that out. The beautiful thing is that you can actually go through all these work kits, select design, templates that you love and start them and come back to them later on. So let's still go down. You can either use this part to go back to your work kits or you can just scroll down, explore more work kits, and let's look at that of primary school teacher. You have your lesson plans here. You have all these templates you don't know you need here. Digital students workbook. You have this digital students workbook. The design size is already set. You have all these beautiful templates that you can use. How cool is that? Let me know what you think about this Canva work kit and let me know if you're using this work kit, if you're currently exploring it. Do also subscribe to the channel. Do have a good one.